everyone, today we are going to understand the difference between if and when. They are not similar words, but still people get confused a lot while using these two words. So let's understand the difference today. First, let's understand if. The word if is used when we talk about a possibility. A possibility. Something may happen or may not happen. It's a possibility. We are not sure of it. Okay? Or when we are talking about a situation which is not realistic, an unrealistic situation. In these two cases, generally we use the word if. For example, if you score good marks, I will get you a gift. If you score good marks, I will get you a gift. Here it means it's a possibility. Scoring marks. If you score good marks. So scoring marks, scoring good marks is a possibility. It may happen, it may not happen. So if it happens, you will get a gift. It's up to you. Okay? Now let's go to the word when. When is used when you are sure about, when you are certain about a future event. For example, when the school reopens, I will study regularly. So, when the school reopens, now there is no possibility involved. It's for sure it's going to reopen. So, when the school reopens, I will study hard or I will study regularly. Let's understand the difference between these two words more clearly by using both the words in one sentence. You can vote if you are 18. You are asking someone or you have reached poll booth and you are asking that if you can vote. So the person is saying you can vote if you are 18. Possibility? Not sure. Same situation, sentence. You can vote when you are 18. Now you look very young. So the person is saying, looking at you, hey child, you can vote when you are 18. So when you will turn 18, it is sure one day you will turn 18. At that time you can vote. Hope you have understood the difference between these two terms. If you have any query, please let me know in the comment section. I will be more than happy to help. This is Anushree signing off. Thank you.